Hi everybody!
Welcome to Toonberry. My name is Sophie.
And my name is Jason.
My name's Mommy Pig.
And who's this guy?
Daddy Pig.
And who are we going to draw today?
Daddy Pig and Mommy Pig.
Next time you're going to draw Mommy Pig.
Stop it.
You ready to draw?
Yep.
Alright, let's do it. Today we're going to draw Daddy Pig, okay? Draw a line over and down, okay? Yes! Very good. Okay, now we want to make a circle on the bottom. Can you do that? Yeah. I won't. Bring it up to here, okay? Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
And that one.
The bottom one, all the way up to the top. Okay? Now we can draw an oval, okay? Draw an oval right here. And then we can connect the bottom of the oval or the top. Connect the top to the top line, right there. Yeah. And then we can draw two round dots in there for his nose. Next thing we want to do is we want to draw a round circle right here, okay? Now we can draw a smiley face right there, okay?
Look at him. He has teeth.
Yep, we're going to do the beard next. So let's do his mustache. 4 hairs on the top, some long, some short.
Some long, some short. Some long, some short.
Draw some mustaches right here. 6 on the bottom. Ready? Okay, do a circle right here. Okay, now do another circle right here. A little bit up. Okay, now we can, yep, draw his eyeballs now. Dark circles inside. Great, so now we draw a circle around each eye. 1, 2. Now draw a line from here to here. Okay? Now we're going to do his ears. And those are like an upside down U, okay? One of them behind his closest eye, and then one of them on top of that eye. Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna do a big circle for his big belly, like Daddy Pig has. Starting here, start here, and go all the way around to the other side, okay? So now I'm going to do an arm over here that sticks out.
Mine's arm is
And 3 little fingers. I like your arm. And one that sticks out behind with 3 little fingers. And then I'm going to do a leg. Just draw 2 thin lines right next to each other. And you do like a flat oval for his feet. One last thing is his tail. You draw one curved line coming out, and then you draw a circle. Then you draw another curved line.
That's what I.
So then you just go back, and then you draw a little circle inside the loop. Now it's time to
Color.
Okay, we got our colors for Daddy Pig. So here we are. We're all done.
Thank you everybody for joining Daddy Pig. We had so much fun, but this was kind of weird because I did it wrong. And thank you so much. We had so much fun, and thank you everybody for drawing Daddy Pig, and subscribe and hit the vacation bell.
Yes, and we want to say thank you to all of our new subscribers that we've been getting. We hope everybody's really enjoying our videos and learning how to draw different pictures, right?
Of Daddy Pig.
Yes, so thank you so much. We will see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.